Welcome to our travel adventure through the breathtaking islands of Hawaii. Known for its stunning landscapes, vibrant culture, and warm hospitality, Hawaii is a paradise that captivates the hearts of travelers from around the globe. From the lush green mountains of Kauai to the golden beaches of Maui, each island offers a unique experience that showcases the natural beauty and rich heritage of this tropical haven. In this video, we'll take you on a journey to discover the best places to visit in Hawaii, highlighting must-see destinations that blend adventure, relaxation, and cultural immersion. Whether you're a beach lover, an outdoor enthusiast, or someone looking to dive into the local traditions, Hawaii has something for everyone. So grab your sunscreen and get ready to explore the enchanting landscapes, vibrant festivals, and delicious cuisine that make Hawaii a top travel destination. Join us as we unveil the hidden gems and iconic spots that will make your Hawaiian getaway unforgettable. Oahu, the gathering place. Welcome to Oahu, the vibrant heart of Hawaii, where stunning beaches meet rich history. This island is a perfect blend of urban life and natural beauty, making it a must-visit destination for travelers. One of the most iconic spots is Waikiki Beach, famous for its golden sands and crystal-clear waters, perfect for sunbathing, swimming, and surfing. Just a short drive away, you can immerse yourself in history at Pearl Harbor, where you can pay tribute to the events that shaped the nation. Oahu offers a plethora of activities for adventure seekers. Surfing the legendary waves is a rite of passage, and whether you're a beginner or a pro, there's a wave waiting for you. For those who love hiking, a trek up Diamond Head provides breathtaking panoramic views of the island and the sparkling ocean below. With its unique combination of cultural experiences and outdoor adventures, Oahu truly embodies the spirit of aloha, inviting you to explore its beauty and history. Maui, the Valley Isle. Welcome to Maui, often referred to as the Valley Isle, where breathtaking landscapes and luxurious resorts create an unforgettable getaway. One of the most scenic drives in the world, the road to Hana, winds through lush rainforests, cascading waterfalls, and stunning coastal views, making it a must-do for any visitor. As you explore, you'll encounter diverse ecosystems that range from tropical beaches to volcanic landscapes, particularly in Haleakalā National Park, home to the majestic Haleakalā crater. This park offers incredible hiking opportunities and a chance to witness the sunrise from above the clouds, a truly magical experience. Maui is also a haven for wildlife enthusiasts, with unique species and vibrant marine life. For an unforgettable underwater adventure, don't miss snorkeling at Molokini Crater, a crescent-shaped, partially submerged volcanic caldera, teeming with colorful fish and coral reefs. Whether you're lounging at a luxury resort or exploring the island's natural wonders, Maui promises a perfect blend of relaxation and adventure that will leave you enchanted. Kauai, the Garden Isle. Welcome to Kauai, affectionately known as the Garden Isle, where lush greenery and dramatic cliffs create a breathtaking paradise. This island is renowned for its stunning Na Pali coast, characterized by towering sea cliffs, emerald valleys, and pristine beaches. Whether you choose to hike along the Kalalau Trail or take a scenic boat tour, the views are nothing short of spectacular. Another highlight is Waimea Canyon, often referred to as the Grand Canyon of the Pacific. Its vibrant red and green hues, along with cascading waterfalls, offer a stunning backdrop for photography and exploration. Outdoor enthusiasts will find plenty to do here, from hiking through lush trails to kayaking along the serene Wailua River. The tranquil atmosphere of Kauai allows you to connect with nature and escape the hustle and bustle of everyday life. With its breathtaking landscapes and peaceful vibe, Kauai invites you to immerse yourself in its natural beauty, making it a perfect destination for relaxation and adventure alike. Big Island, the Orchid Isle. Welcome to the Big Island, also known as the Orchid Isle, where unique volcanic landscapes and diverse ecosystems create an extraordinary experience. One of the island's crown jewels is Hawaii Volcanoes National Park, home to the active Kilauea volcano. Here you can witness the raw power of nature as lava flows reshape the land, offering a glimpse into the Earth's dynamic processes. Another highlight is Mauna Kea, the tallest mountain in Hawaii, which provides stunning views and is a prime location for stargazing. The island's diverse climates range from lush rainforests to arid deserts, allowing for a variety of ecosystems to thrive. This diversity means you can explore everything from vibrant botanical gardens to stark black sand beaches formed by volcanic activity. Activities abound, whether you're hiking through the park, relaxing on the unique beaches, or gazing at the stars from Mauna Kea's summit. The Big Island's captivating landscapes and rich natural history make it a must-visit destination for adventurers and nature lovers alike. Lanai, the Pineapple Isle. Welcome to Lanai, often referred to as the Pineapple Isle, where secluded beauty and luxury come together to create an idyllic escape. This charming island is known for its exclusive resorts that offer unparalleled service and stunning ocean views, making it a perfect destination for relaxation and indulgence. The pristine beaches, such as Hulapo Beach, invite you to unwind on soft sands or take a refreshing dip in crystal-clear waters. For those seeking adventure, Lanai offers exciting activities like off-roading through rugged landscapes, where you can explore hidden coves and breathtaking vistas. Snorkeling in the vibrant waters around the island reveals a colorful underwater world teeming with marine life, perfect for both beginners and experienced snorkelers. Don't miss the unique charm of Lanai City, where you can stroll through quaint streets lined with local shops and restaurants, offering a taste of the island's rich history. With its blend of luxury, adventure, and tranquility, Lanai promises an unforgettable getaway that feels like a world apart. Molokai, the Friendly Isle. Welcome to Molokai, known as the Friendly Isle, where authentic Hawaiian culture and rich history come to life. This island is a treasure trove of traditions, offering visitors a glimpse into the true spirit of Hawaii. One of the most significant sites is Kalaupapa National Historical Park, which honors the legacy of those affected by leprosy and showcases the resilience of the Hawaiian people. Here, you can learn about the island's history and the remarkable stories of its residents. Molokai is deeply committed to preserving its Hawaiian traditions, from hula and chant to local crafts and farming practices, ensuring that the culture thrives for future generations. Outdoor enthusiasts will find plenty to explore, with hiking trails leading to stunning waterfalls and breathtaking vistas. The island's natural beauty, combined with its cultural richness, creates a unique atmosphere that invites you to connect with both the land and its people. Whether you're exploring the lush landscapes or engaging with the local community, Molokai offers an enriching experience that celebrates the heart of Hawaii. In this video, we've taken you on a journey through the breathtaking islands of Hawaii, showcasing the incredible diversity and beauty that each destination has to offer. From the vibrant beaches and rich history of Oahu to the lush landscapes and luxury of Maui, every island presents a unique experience waiting to be discovered. We explored Kauai's dramatic cliffs and tranquil atmosphere, the volcanic wonders of the Big Island, the secluded charm of Lanai, and the authentic culture of Molokai. Each location invites you to immerse yourself in its natural beauty and local traditions. We encourage you to explore these stunning destinations for yourself and create unforgettable memories in paradise. If you enjoyed this travel guide, please subscribe to our channel, like this video, and share it with fellow travel enthusiasts. Your support helps us bring you more exciting travel content and tips to inspire your next adventure. Mahalo for joining us, and we can't wait to see you on our next journey through the beautiful islands of Hawaii.
Do you want to save big on your next adventure? Watch this video right here. It's basically a free training. See you there.